How are you guys? This is Sonny. Join me today as I spend time at the farm. Today we are going to focus on my small business of chicken. As you can see on the video there, those are 2 weeks old chicks. They are at the brooder. Why? Because at 2 weeks to 1 month, chicks are supposed to be at the brooder because of warmth. As you can see, those are bulbs. We use them for warmth purposes. And this is at the morning, by the way. They are feeding on chick mash. On the other hand, we have 5 months old chicken. They are already laying eggs. We also have those ones. They are 3 months old. This is Canberra chicken. It is good at laying eggs and also for meat purposes. Why Canberra? Because Canberra gains weight faster, so you can easily sell them even at 3 months old. It is also a heavy eater. That means you give them a lot of food, and the more you give them food, the more they gain weight, which tells you that it can lay eggs, it can give you more eggs, and also for meat purposes. Now this time they are feeding in the morning. We give them growers so that they can gain more weight. Now as from 4 months and above, we can give them layers, because this is when they start laying eggs. As you can see there, this is where they lay eggs. These are improvised places where they lay eggs na hazifinyani. So you can see every chicken has her own space to lay eggs. This is around lunch hour. We give them greens. They are good for vitamins and roughage. This point niliangalia that big jogoo and I had to weigh it. You can imagine it is heavy enough to be sold at the market. So Canberra is the way to go. If I was asked, Canberra is the way to go because it has advantages of laying eggs and also for meat purpose. If you have any question, don't hesitate to DM me as we walk this journey together to see this chicken business, because I can attest that it is a good business. It gives money easily, but you need to be prepared because this chicken also need to be vaccinated at a certain age. They also need ready-made food. So if you need a formula for making food, because we make our own food, we mix them because we have the formula. So if you need the formula, kindly DM me. I will be glad to share it with you. This is the far that we've come in terms of chicken business. It hasn't been easy, but I can attest that it's a good business. So as you can see, they are enjoying their greens. Those are cabbages. They are cabbages, yes. We slice them in pieces so that they can easily eat them. They can easily feed on them, and they really love them. So that's why we give them at around 12. So that we can give them some time before we feed them in the evening. So let's see the process together. Kindly don't hesitate to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys.